We'll guide you through how to configure your Namecheap email settings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Namecheap website. Then log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. You'll see a list of your domains there. Click on the domain name for which you want to set up email. On the domain dashboard, look for the Advanced DNS tab and click on it. This is where you'll manage your DNS settings. You need to add the correct MX records for your email. Scroll down to the Mail Settings section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Custom MX from the list. Now, you need to add MX records. Click on Add New Record, then choose MX record from the drop-down. Enter the MX records provided by your email service provider. Make sure to enter the correct priority and mail server details. Usually the priority is a number like 0 or 1, and the mail server is something like mail.yourdomain.com. After adding the MX records, you can save your changes. Next, you need to verify that your email settings are correct. Go back to your email provider and check the status. Sometimes it takes a few hours for DNS changes to propagate, so be patient. If you encounter any issues, double-check that the MX records are entered correctly and that there are no typos. Configuring email settings can seem complex, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.